Hey everyone, welcome back to this Thursday weekly update. Today is Thursday the 17th. As per usual, this is a series that'll show you things and stuff you can expect to see from us here at Fort Trapper Studio. Usually it's just opening boxes these days. So without further ado, let's open some boxes. That does it for this week. Thank you all so much for watching. Everything you saw in this video will be linked in the description below that I can find, that is. Please like this video if you enjoyed it. Hit the subscribe button with the bell next to it so you get notified when we upload. And we will see you next week.